Being a skilled mechanic doesn't always guarantee you will get hired. Many qualified candidates fail the hiring assessment before they ever reach the interview stage. Now, because these tests measure more than just your ability to repair vehicles. It's because these tests measure more than just your ability to repair vehicles. So in this video, you will learn what the test evaluates and how to prepare to pass it confidently. But first, let's know what is an automotive technician hiring test. This test is a pre-employment assessment designed to evaluate whether applicants possess the skills needed to inspect, diagnose, repair, and maintain modern vehicles. And depending on the employer, the assessment may be completed online or at a testing center before the interview stage. Why do employers use this test? Because hiring a technician involves more than checking experience. So employers want candidates who can solve problems accurately, work safely, communicate effectively, and make sound decisions under pressure. A standardized assessment helps identify applicants who demonstrate these qualities. Then, what does this test usually measure? Although every employer designs its own assessment, most automotive technician hiring tests evaluate several common skill areas as mentioned in the image. Manage your time during the test. Avoid spending too much time on difficult questions. Complete the easier questions first and then return to the challenging ones if time remains. Good time management allows you to maximize your overall score. BMH expert tip. Now, when reviewing practice questions, don't just ask which answer is correct. Also ask why are the other options wrong. So developing this diagnostic mindset will help you perform better not only in the hiring test but also in real-world automotive troubleshooting. This was all. Thanks for watching.